Welcome back, guys. Showing you something that most of you maybe know, but some of you might not know. If we go to here, then press start. Okay, I might die a couple of times because I didn't play this, but I found out myself. Yeah, I always get angry when they hit me, but it's normal. I mean, they wouldn't if you know what to do, but I forget. Wait, look at this. Okay, that's not what you do. Wait, just select it. Okay, wait. No, I might have died this round. Okay, run. Whoa, survive. Okay, remember these all are free. You just take it because it's free. Oops, leg. Straight away burst that. I'll show you this thing. You think I'm dumb? Oh no, I'm lagging. No, guys, sorry, I'm lagging. Okay, this is the technique. Burst them here, so I'll tell you why. But I'm not showing off. Like doing this is not a show. Don't know why I'm lagging. But remember, guys, do go and burst these 2 blocks. They are still worth a lot. I'll show that in a minute. Okay, wait. Let's go back. Converse. This thing will straight away go. Okay, look. Pretend you place here, and when you kill the guy over here with the shield pot, you straight away burst if like you have 2 blocks here and here. Then if 2 of the shields are here, it will burst the shield. That's why I found out this. By the way, guys, I'm English, but I'm template fan. I mean fan, not friend. He's make OP videos. By the way, if you all don't know, he hacked the points. That's why you look at the points, it's so high level. But I can tell you this now, he 100% hacked the points. There's no way he could get that much. Okay, for this technique, we're gonna do this. Value, you guys know that. Let's do this. Okay, boom. But I don't think I might be able to win. Maybe, but mostly maybe not. Okay. I remember you must go here. Wait for. Nope, it didn't work. Oh, okay, but yeah. That was a technique to show you how to use the 2 shield instead of bursting 1 and keeping 1. Bye, guys. See you on the next video.